Hello everyone! Let's start by heating the pan and adding a little vegetable oil. Now I'm chopping 4 mushrooms, not too fine, not too chunky, just perfect bite-sized pieces. Into the hot pan they go. Listen to that sizzle, and gently stir. Next up, 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped to release all that flavor. Fresh garlic makes all the difference in a creamy pasta like this. Straight into the pan, and we let it gently bloom in the heat. Now the secret to the creaminess: 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And 1 cup of milk, slowly poured in. Stirring until it turns silky and smooth. Let us know in the comments which country you're watching from. A pinch of salt, a touch of black pepper, and everything comes together. Black pepper adds a gentle kick that balances the richness of the creamy sauce. Meanwhile, the pasta goes into boiling water with a bit of salt and a good stir. "15 minutes later, perfectly cooked, drained and ready. Now we bring it all together, pasta into the creamy sauce, and mix until every piece is coated. A splash of water helps create a smoother, silkier sauce. A handful of mozzarella, melting right into the sauce, making it extra creamy. Time to serve. Creamy pasta. Smooth, rich, and comforting. Fresh parsley, finely chopped, for that final touch of freshness. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more recipes, and tell us where you're watching from in the comments below. Sprinkled right on top. And just like that, it's ready. Enjoy!